These should be by
What?
mozzarella, like clean. Is that $5 too, or do you know?
Gage just totally slid across the floor.
I really wish we could talk that, but that hurt my back.
So we get.
That was gross.
I love ketchup.
Away we go! Clap your hands, yeah, clap your hands! Get up and dance, yeah, get up and dance! Clap your hands, yeah, clap your hands! Clap your hands, yeah, clap your hands! Get up and dance, yeah, get up and dance! Clap your hands, yeah, clap your hands!
Has to go down, like.
Here.
I'm pushing really hard. We're pushing this out.
Look at the gravy popping out.
Okay. That's as good as she gets, boys.
That was like a workout.
Go ahead,
Then squish down a little more. Once the thing breaks, that barely fits in there.
We are how do you know the soul will work through it?
Probably not. It's like my mum used to make.
little antifreeze and everything. That's probably not the best idea to approach it.
You're telling a sword can't go through.
Sword's not sharp.
Butter knife.
Cut it.
And that one just goes through.
Just like that.
Really tough.
A lot of bacon and gravy tastes so good.
What's bacon what?
Gravy.
Oh no.
I wish I had a taco with plenty of hot sauce, but all that I've got is a bar.
Yes, do the dishes. How was it, Matt?